If Photoshop is showing a not enough RAM error or it feels slow and keeps refusing to complete your edits, don't worry. There are two quick fixes you can try right away. In this video, I'll show you how to allocate more RAM inside Photoshop and how to purge the cache to free up memory and improve performance. This is a simple fix that can make a big difference, especially if you work with large files, lots of layers, or high-resolution images. And if this tutorial helps, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips and fixes. Let's jump in. First, let's increase the amount of RAM Photoshop is allowed to use. By default, Photoshop limits memory usage so it can leave room for other apps running on your computer. But if you're working on heavier projects, that default setting may not be enough. To change it, open Photoshop and go to Edit, then Preferences, and then Performance on Windows. If you're on a Mac, you'll find the same performance settings inside the Photoshop Preferences menu. Once you're in the Performance panel, look for the Memory Usage section. Here, you'll see a slider that controls how much of your total available RAM Photoshop can use. A good starting point is usually somewhere between 70% and 85% of your total RAM. That gives Photoshop more power without completely starving the rest of your system. If your computer has enough memory, moving the slider up a little can help reduce lag and lower the chance of that not enough RAM warning appearing again. After adjusting the slider, click OK to save the change. Then restart Photoshop so the new memory settings can take effect properly. This is important because some performance changes won't fully apply until the app is restarted. Now let's move on to the second fix, which is purging the cache. Over time, Photoshop builds up clipboard data, history states, and cached image information. That can take up memory and cause performance issues, especially if you've been editing for a while. To clear that out, stay inside Photoshop and go to Edit, then Purge. From there, click All. When you choose All, Photoshop clears clipboard memory, history states, and other cached video or image data. This can immediately free up RAM and help Photoshop run more smoothly. Just keep in mind that purging the cache is a one-way action, so make sure you're not relying on older undo steps before you do it. If you're confident you're ready, go ahead and clear it. After purging the cache, you may notice Photoshop responds faster and gives you more breathing room while editing. If the RAM error was caused by temporary memory buildup, this step can solve it quickly. In many cases, combining a higher RAM allocation with a cache purge is enough to fix the problem without needing anything more advanced. So to recap, if Photoshop says not enough RAM, first go to Edit, Preferences, Performance, and increase the memory usage slider to around 70 to 85%. Then click OK and restart the app. After that, go to Edit, Purge, and choose All to clear out cached memory data. These two steps are easy, fast, and can make Photoshop much more stable. If this video helped you fix the Photoshop not enough RAM issue, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.